Coffee is a popular morning beverage, but it is not the best choice for everyone. Sensitivity to caffeine, digestive discomfort, anxiety, or sleep disturbances often lead people to search for healthier alternatives. Fortunately, there are several healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee while still providing warmth, comfort, and functional health benefits. Unsweetened options such as herbal teas, warm lemon water, and turmeric milk offer a gentler way to start the day without the stimulating effects of caffeine. These beverages support hydration, digestion, and overall wellness, making them suitable for individuals seeking a balanced, science-backed approach to daily energy and focus. By choosing healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, you can reduce caffeine dependence while supporting long-term health in a more sustainable way. Golden turmeric milk. For a gentle and nourishing start to the day, golden turmeric milk is one of the most effective healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee. This warm beverage is traditionally made with milk or a milk alternative, turmeric, ginger, and warming spices, such as cinnamon, offering comfort without the stimulating effects of caffeine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Diets rich in antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress and may reduce chronic inflammation over time. Ginger and cinnamon further enhance these benefits, as both spices are also rich in natural antioxidants that support immune and metabolic health. Golden turmeric milk may be especially beneficial for individuals living with chronic inflammatory conditions. Research suggests that regular consumption of curcumin or turmeric extract can help reduce pain and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Ginger has also been shown to provide similar anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects, making this drink a supportive option for joint health. To prepare golden turmeric milk at home, heat your preferred milk or plant-based alternative until it begins to gently simmer. Whisk in turmeric along with ginger, cinnamon, and other desired spices until fully blended. The result is a soothing, nutrient-rich beverage that supports overall wellness and serves as a satisfying alternative to coffee. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a refreshing and naturally energizing option among healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, especially for those seeking a caffeine-free way to feel alert in the morning. Its crisp aroma and warming properties can promote mental clarity without overstimulating the nervous system. Peppermint has long been used to support digestive health. Research shows it may help relieve common gastrointestinal discomforts, such as bloating, gas, cramping, and indigestion. These benefits make peppermint tea a practical choice for individuals who experience stomach upset after drinking coffee or eating breakfast. In addition to its digestive effects, peppermint aroma alone has been shown to reduce nausea and vomiting. Studies indicate that inhaling peppermint oil may ease nausea in people undergoing chemotherapy, highlighting its potential benefits for calming the stomach and improving overall comfort. As part of a daily routine, peppermint tea offers a soothing yet invigorating alternative to coffee, supporting digestion and well-being while fitting seamlessly into a caffeine-free lifestyle. Ginger tea is a comforting, caffeine-free option and one of the most effective healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee for those seeking a gentle start to the morning. Ginger is a warming spice naturally rich in antioxidants, making it especially beneficial for digestive and cardiovascular health. Beginning the day with warm ginger tea may help soothe the digestive system, easing stomach discomfort and reducing symptoms of heartburn. This makes it a suitable alternative for individuals who find that coffee irritates their stomach or worsens acid reflux. Regular consumption of ginger over time has also been associated with improved heart health. Research suggests that ginger may help lower blood pressure, enhance blood circulation, and reduce cholesterol levels, all of which contribute to better cardiovascular function. Incorporating ginger tea into your morning routine provides a calm, supportive way to wake up while promoting long-term wellness without the drawbacks of caffeine. Green tea is an excellent choice for those who want a noticeable energy boost while significantly reducing their caffeine intake. As one of the most popular healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, green tea provides gentle stimulation along with powerful health benefits. This lightly brewed tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which play a key role in supporting metabolic health. Research suggests that catechins may help improve blood sugar control and enhance insulin sensitivity. Regular green tea consumption has also been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes and obesity, making it a smart option for long-term health management. Matcha is a concentrated form of green tea produced by grinding whole tea leaves into a fine powder, allowing you to consume the entire leaf. As a result, matcha delivers a higher concentration of antioxidants compared to traditional green tea brewed from tea bags. Studies indicate that drinking matcha tea may help reduce the risk of high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. Whether enjoyed as a light brew or in its powdered matcha form, green tea offers a balanced combination of mild caffeine, antioxidants, and metabolic support, making it a strong coffee alternative for daily use. Hot lemon water is a simple yet effective option among healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, especially for those seeking a gentle, caffeine-free way to start the day. Made with warm water and freshly squeezed lemon juice, this beverage is soothing, hydrating, and easy to prepare. Drinking warm water in the morning may help stimulate digestion and support regular bowel movements, potentially reducing the risk of constipation. It may also ease common digestive discomforts, such as bloating and gas, making hot lemon water a suitable choice for individuals with sensitive stomachs. To prepare hot lemon water, heat a cup of water until just below boiling, then add the juice of a fresh lemon wedge. This refreshing yet calming drink can be enjoyed first thing in the morning as part of a healthy routine that promotes digestive comfort and overall wellness without relying on caffeine. Bone broth is a warm, savory beverage and one of the more nourishing, healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee. Prepared by simmering animal bones with herbs and spices, bone broth provides a rich source of nutrients that support overall wellness. This comforting drink is particularly valued for its collagen content, a protein essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, joints, and bones. Bone broth may also help reduce inflammation and support gut health, making it a suitable morning option for individuals looking for a non-caffeinated, nutrient-dense alternative to coffee. Chai tea offers a flavorful, gently stimulating option for those who enjoy a sweet and spicy start to the day. As one of the more robust, healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, chai tea combines black tea with warming spices such as ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves, traditionally prepared with hot water and milk. The spices used in chai tea provide several potential health benefits. Cinnamon has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and may reduce cholesterol, supporting metabolic and cardiovascular health. Black tea, which contains a moderate amount of caffeine, has also been associated with lower cholesterol levels and improved heart health. Chai tea delivers a balanced blend of flavor, warmth, and mild stimulation, making it a satisfying alternative for individuals who want to reduce coffee intake without completely eliminating caffeine. A warm apple cider vinegar drink offers a tangy, caffeine-free option among healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, particularly for individuals focused on blood sugar and metabolic health. Apple cider vinegar is produced through the fermentation of apples with yeast and beneficial bacteria, resulting in a natural source of acetic acid. Research suggests that acetic acid may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making this drink a supportive option for those managing glucose levels. When consumed appropriately, it can be a functional addition to a balanced morning routine. To prepare a warm apple cider vinegar drink, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of warm water. It is essential to dilute apple cider vinegar before drinking, as its acidity can damage tooth enamel and irritate the throat if consumed undiluted. Hot chocolate may not immediately come to mind as one of the healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee, but with thoughtful ingredient choices, it can become a nutritious and satisfying alternative. Instead of using store-bought mixes that are high in added sugars, homemade hot chocolate allows for better control over ingredients and nutritional value. Preparing hot chocolate with skim milk or a plant-based alternative such as almond milk, combined with unsweetened cocoa powder and a low-calorie sweetener like stevia, can significantly reduce excess sugar and calories. Cocoa powder is naturally rich in antioxidants known as flavonols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, support heart health, improve blood flow, and help lower blood pressure. When prepared mindfully, hot chocolate can deliver warmth, comfort, and health benefits without the overstimulation associated with coffee. Replacing coffee does not mean sacrificing flavor, warmth, or health benefits. From herbal teas and warming spices to nutrient-rich broths and antioxidant-packed cocoa, these healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee offer sustainable options for energy, digestion, and overall well-being. If you found this guide helpful, support the HeInfo channel by liking the video, subscribing for more science-backed health content, and sharing it with anyone looking for healthier coffee alternatives. Let us know in the comments which drink you plan to try first, and explore our channel for more trusted insights to support your daily health journey.